Welcome back to Rolls-Royce Reviews. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious cars on the planet, the 2025 Rolls-Royce. Known for its legacy of elegance and top-tier craftsmanship, this model elevates that standard with cutting-edge technology and superior performance. From the moment you see the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy ornament on the hood, you know you're in for an exceptional experience. Starting with its exterior design, the 2025 Rolls-Royce continues the tradition of bold, regal presence. The signature large grille, handcrafted details, and sleek body lines give it an unmistakable look of sophistication. The new model incorporates more aerodynamic elements while maintaining that classic Rolls-Royce grandeur. Step inside, and you're enveloped in luxury. The cabin is a masterpiece, filled with premium leather, hand-polished wood veneers, and customizable accents. Every aspect of the interior feels tailored, ensuring maximum comfort for both driver and passengers. For 2025, Rolls-Royce has taken it a step further by introducing advanced tech features, including a more intuitive infotainment system, a digital gauge cluster, and improved ambient lighting. Under the hood, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is powered by a formidable V12 engine, providing a smooth yet powerful driving experience. The suspension system is refined to perfection, offering a ride that feels like you're floating on air, even on rough surfaces. Despite the sheer size of the vehicle, its handling is remarkably responsive, and the power delivery is seamless, making it both a delight to drive and be chauffeured in. In terms of safety, the latest Rolls-Royce is equipped with an array of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. These features ensure that while you're wrapped in luxury, you are also well protected on the road. Whether you're a longtime Rolls-Royce admirer or new to the brand, the 2025 model offers an unmatched blend of tradition and innovation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more in-depth reviews on Rolls-Royce Reviews, where we bring you the latest from the world of luxury and performance vehicles.